That dialogue you remember, right? Pushpa is not just national,
Is
it's
international.
international.
The last ball Siraj defended. Tell us those moments.
We are all tensed. We are unable to sit in one place. And when finally Siraj Bhai just gave that strike to my brother, saving those three balls, it is like, oh God, thank you so much.
Now the entire media is looking for you and all that, but maybe in 1 year back, no, it was just the family who stood behind Nitish. How was those days? MCG has been a dream come true for the entire Reddy family. And today, to talk about those special moments, we have a special guest, Tejashvi, Nitish Kumar's Reddy's sister. Of course, you don't need an introduction after what happened yesterday. So tell me, in less than 24 hours time, how the life of the entire Reddy family has changed.
No, all the struggles were just faded out. This journey is so rough. He had been in many tough situations, and now finally he's here and he scored it all in front of us. We are all very happy and proud to see him here, and yeah, we are speechless.
Well, speechless, of course, but tell us about those moments. I can tell you, yesterday when Siraj had to defend those last three balls, even the Australians were cheering for Siraj because they wanted to see Nitish, score that 100. What was the feeling in the family?
Yeah. We are very thankful for Washington Sundar brother and Siraj Bhai as well because he could not get a partnership
Yeah.
lately. He
Yeah.
could not have his 50s, and
Yeah.
now he got it because they gave their partnership, and we are very thankful for that.
The last ball Siraj defended.
Yeah.
Tell us those moments.
We are all tensed. We are unable to sit in one place. And when finally Siraj Bhai just gave that strike to my brother, saving those three balls, it is like, oh God, thank you so much. Like that. And then he made his century, and we are all very happy.
Well, after the moment when you first met Nitish after the scoring, we saw that BCCI video, but tell us something which that was not there in the video. What was the conversation when you guys first met him and then?
Yeah, he's telling all like my parents that uh, when there is good, everyone will come to you. When there is bad, everyone will back off. Still, you have to take it in the same way. Like how you take this happiness, you have to take the same way. That moments also when someone is backing off, and we should be the same like that.
I was
My father is telling my brother everything.
Yeah, I was hearing one of your father's interviews, and he was saying that he was a very naughty kid. And you were also
course,
saying
of
in one of the
course,
previous interviews. Tell us share some of your family like early childhood memories.
yeah, when my mother want to catch him, he'll never come out onto my mother's hand. One thing I can share is when we are in school, when we are having sports day, uh, we usually have with same level kids, right?
Yeah.
Sports,
Yeah.
and he is good at running. He's always first at running.
Yeah.
Then when he is first at his level, he also participated with my class people,
Oh.
my class boys,
Yeah.
in the running race, and there even he got first.
Oh.
Always first in the running.
We saw in the in his running between the wicket as well.
Yeah.
So like the struggle, of course. Now the entire media is looking for you and all that, but maybe in 1 year back, no, it was just the family who stood behind Nitish. How was those days? Like how struck? What can I say? How different was those days compared to what it's today? And how you guys supported Nitish on those days when no one was there
It's like,
emotionally?
yeah, always backing him up. Like, to be frank, my brother is mentally more stronger than we expect. Like he thinks he is not thinking like a 21-year-old boy. He thinks more mature than me. He thinks so properly, and he learned it all from all the elder cricketers,
Yeah.
like all the legends.
He's a big Virat Kohli fan.
Of course, yes. First Viratian.
Fast Viratian.
Viratian.
And your father, of course, he is also a cricket buff. I know that when we saw that video of your family meeting Sunil Gavaskar ji, Sunny ji. So, like, who and what was the feeling? Can you please describe, like, when your entire family met Sunny ji?
Yeah. It is like you should ask them about that thing.
I. Of course. Final question for my side. Sir, I know that sir is waiting, and it has been a long day. What next for the because we know that you guys are a very humble family, down to earth family, as you were saying that. Do you want to, how you'd like to carry forward this thing among all this fame and everything?
We are always grounded and we wanted to be the same. We don't want to like be very over product. We just wanted to be the same.
Is he a big movie buff? Because
No.
the celebrations.
No.
So what was the thought process behind the celebrations?
Yeah, that dialogue you remember, right? Pushpa is not just national,
Is
it's
international. So Nitish
Yeah.
Kumar Reddy is not national, is international.
International.
And what about the final celebration after the century?
That he's representing our India. Like
Representing- oh.
he's keeping the bat and he's keeping the helmet, over the helmet the flag.
Yeah.
He's representing
Like Rohit Sharma
our
did
flag.
after winning the T20 World
He's
Cup.
planting
Okay.
his bat.
Thank you, sir. That was, of course, Tejasvi Reddy. The talk of the town of here in Melbourne, of course, is the Reddy family. And I don't want to keep them waiting. I don't want to keep sir waiting. So, Tejasvi, thank you for talking to us. And it has been a pleasure. And wish you all the best. And to your entire family, I know that your stay has been now been extended. You guys will be in Sydney. Enjoy the game. And let's hope that India win this and
Yeah.
Nitish gets the man of the match.
Hopefully. Thank you so much.